In late 2019, life changed for billions. A microscopic enemy, the coronavirus, turned daily life upside down. But what is it, really? Today, we'll break it down clearly: where COVID-19 came from, how it spread so fast, why some people got so sick while others barely noticed, and what made this virus so dangerous for the world. Coronaviruses are a big family of viruses. Some cause the common cold. Others, like SARS or MERS, have been far more dangerous. The one that shook the entire world? That's SARS-CoV-2, the virus behind COVID-19. But where did it come from? Well, here's what most scientists believe. It likely started in animals, probably bats, and at some point, it made the jump to humans. That's called a zoonotic spillover, when diseases cross from animals to people. Places like crowded wildlife markets make that risk much higher, but to be clear, parts of this story are still being investigated. There's debate, honest questions, and ongoing research. But that's how science works. We look for facts. SARS-CoV-2 had the perfect tools for a pandemic. It spreads through droplets when we breathe, talk, cough, even before symptoms appear. Airports, cities, homes. Within months, it circled the globe. But what made it so dangerous? Many carriers didn't even know they had it, making unintentional spread easy. The world wasn't ready, and the virus took advantage. Why did some get really sick, and others barely feel it? Here's where it gets complicated. Not everyone who caught COVID-19 ended up in the hospital. And honestly, I'm one of them. Some barely noticed it, and on the other hand, others didn't survive. Age, especially over 65. Health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, obesity. Immune system, some fought better than others. Genetics, early research shows DNA plays a role in how much virus entered your system. But there were surprises even young. Healthy people got severely ill. COVID-19 didn't follow the rules perfectly. The world watched the numbers rise fast. According to the World Health Organization, over 7 million people have officially died from COVID-19, and experts believe the real number is even higher. Hospitals overflowed, families isolated, lockdowns spread across countries. COVID-19 became one of the deadliest pandemics in modern history. Facts we can't ignore. The response wasn't perfect, far from it. Governments and health systems were caught off guard. Some acted too late, others didn't act enough. The world was reacting to something it hadn't faced in over a century. But science moved fast, incredibly fast. While the rest of the world was locking down, grieving and adapting, researchers and scientists were already working around the clock. Special thanks to all the doctors, nurses, and all the researchers who developed the vaccine. In less than a year, we had vaccines, not from scratch, but built on mRNA technology that had been quietly studied, refined, and tested for decades. Years of behind-the-scenes work suddenly became life-saving tools on the front lines. These vaccines aren't magic shields. They don't make you completely immune, but they do drastically lower the risk of severe illness, hospitalization, and death. And this isn't based on guesswork or hype. It's backed by overwhelming data from real-world results, clinical trials, and global case studies. Some countries rolled them out smoothly, with strong public health campaigns and coordinated logistics. Others faced huge challenges from supply shortages and economic barriers to public hesitancy and political unrest. And let's be honest, misinformation made everything harder. Confusion, conspiracy theories, and viral falsehoods spread faster than any vaccine rollout. It created fear, divided communities, and cost lives that could have been saved. I want to take a moment here and say this with sincerity. If you lost a loved one during this time, I am truly sorry. No data of scientific breakthrough can replace what was lost, and your grief is valid. My heart goes out to you and your family. But even through the confusion and setbacks, science proved one thing, and it's something worth remembering. In a crisis, we can learn fast, we can adapt, and when the stakes are high, humanity can come together in extraordinary ways. Not perfectly, but powerfully. If you liked this video, a thumbs up or a subscribe really helps me a lot. Thank you. And until next time, stay curious and stay safe out there.